What's the difference between TPO, market profile, and volume profile? In this video we will learn it also. I will show you what is better to use for futures markets and will share with you for free my templates for order flow platform. First, TPO, it is or market profile, time, price, opportunity. That means it's based on a time. Volume profile, like first, it is a TPO chart of BTC. What this stuff means? It shows to you period of time where price were, and as bigger this stuff, it means more time price were there. It doesn't mean that, for example, here biggest volume traded. Sometimes it could be that biggest volume, for example, traded here, but big period of time price were below it or above it. At this moment it is in details TPO profile. It based on the letters. TPO came to us from American stock market, especially futures market, and there are trading sessions. For example, trading sessions start at 9:30 and at 16:30, and there's some period of time where it trades. And quite often when you don't have a centralized order book, because sometimes brokers change stocks between each of them, and you don't have one order book, and because of that, way better to use TPO. What this letter means, like originally, one letter mean 30 minutes. It means, for example, A, it means start of a session. For example, session started, price moved up and down. After that, price closed, and B started. Next 30 minutes. After that, C started. This red part, it is POC, point of control. It is a period where price were biggest amount of time. And also value area high, value area low. That means 70% of time price were in this area. A volume profile based on volume. Example for you, volume profile of ADA, and it exactly calculate amount of contracts that traded at each price level. Like at this moment, pay attention to this volume profile, this area. As you can see here, price in this area were here really tiny period of time, but compare how this volume so big compared to this one. POC is 17 million. That means this volume approximately half of that. But time period here were the same. That's why this area will be interesting for us, because something important happens. By the way, I prepared for you for free my templates about this order flow platform. Also, I prepared for you tutorials that you can get entirely for free. Below this video there would be link, download templates after. My team also will help you to set up it 100% free, and my team will help you send to you all tutorials how to connect exchange and use all of this stuff in description. How exactly volume profile calculates? Pay attention on this example. It is Ethereum example, Ethereum spot market. Here, volume profile, it adds exactly contracts that traded at each price level. Example, 488 coins, 224, 15,660. If you add all of these numbers together, it will be 16,370 approximately. Also, another example is, as you can see here, 484, 827, 819. Remember about these contracts, that means someone bought and someone sold. If I, for example, if I buy like this large number, 15,000 contracts, it means someone sell it to me. There are always two sides of a deal, always. About volume profile, there could be different time periods how people calculate. Some people use, for example, daily volume profile, and it calculates all data in a day. Some people use manual. For example, like I use manual stuff because for me it's important to separate time periods where biggest volume traded. At this moment, pay attention, it is both of them on a chart, volume profile and TPO. Time price. In many cases, they will show the same data. Honestly, if you use on a bigger time frame, like bigger time period, TPO and volume profile will show you nearly the same data. But when you do scalping, when you would like to have really accuracy in your swing trades, scalping trades, volume profile will be better, because have a look, like this one. Biggest volume traded here, big volume traded here, but on TPO there's nearly nothing, you don't see it. Sometimes, as you can see, show nearly the same data. What I personally use and what I recommend you to use if you order flow futures trader. In most cases I use it on a crypto market, but also you can use it on commodities, for example gold, oil, and S&P 500 futures. I use volume profile. Why? Because pay attention even this example. TPO here, price for some period of time here, but compare how volume here so big. Price was so big period of time here and volume still big, that's good. But compare how here. And if you look only in TPO, you see nothing. But when you open volume profile, you see exactly that someone here buy insane amount of coins, absorb everything. And here you take a trade, you have this major volume as a key support resistance. You can open a trade with tiny stop loss, take profit. That's your advantage compared to other people. Remember to subscribe, and in the cards descriptions there would be free lessons about volume profile. Highly recommend you to watch and use it. TPO, time price opportunity market profile, is good for decentralized market where you don't have one order book. It is like Forex. A lot of different brokers, interactive brokers, Uanda, Forex.com, many other companies, different order books, in many cases not connected. On crypto or S&P 500 you have CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. When you have centralized data, better to use volume profile, because you will exactly see where people buy most of contracts, buy or sell. And right now consider subscribe if you enjoy and watch these lessons about volume profile. I prepared for you whole entire playlist with my tutorials and my strategies. Just save it, watch it. I promise it will help you understand it and make money on it. Thank you for your time. Bye.